ran out of gas.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So you're coasting right now?
Yeah, I just coasted into the parking lot. Hello?
Hello?
What's up? I'm at Pig Out Pizza.
Oh, okay. Well, we got tornado warning.
Yeah, I know. I just ran out of gas too. Yeah. No. I was at 292 miles. Hold on. I'm on the phone with my mom right now. I got Nate's down here with me, so I probably, yeah, if anything, I would split with him. Yeah. No shit. Alrighty.
Okay.
Alrighty. Love you. Bye.